replace manual automatic feeding and automatic discharging, saving more than 18% of labor and greatly reducing the labor intensity of workers. Colorful CLF 350 mm CNC vertical wrapping production line mainly includes gantry feeding machine, vertical plate conveyor, CNC wrapping machine, gantry palletizer, blanking machine and other main equipment. The base material is fed into the feeding roller conveyor by forklift RGV car and automatically loaded by gantry manipulator and transported horizontally by belt conveyor. After that, the plate enters into the roller conveyor, one side element lifting roller conveyor, buffer area and turnover machine to make the plate flip 90 degrees so as to enter the CNC coating machine. The backend for the coating follows the automatic braking function. After secondary pressing, it is palletized by the gantry manipulator, and finally the blanking is completed through the ground rolling line. Colorful CLF 350 mm CNC vertical wrapping machine is used for 350-degree vertical coating of sheet metal, which relies automatic film connection of double coins, automatic deviation correction, and film charge without a shutdown. 250 kg continuous glue machine is used to supply glue with high efficiency. For material of the same shape, when the height and width of the plate change, the machine has the function of digital memory, which can realize the automatic adjustment of manual type 1 key operation. One side of the fuselage adopts the servo system and the ball screw, which can be adjusted as a whole. The CLF 350 mm CNC vertical wrapping production line developed and produced by Colorful can efficiently ensure accurate, convenient, and fast adjustment.